we're going to Gloucester this weekend, up north near Newcastle. We are staying at Gloucester Holiday Park.
Yeah. So with a couple of wobbly boxes.
Yes, so this weekend we have our oldies tagging along for a little bit of touring around Barrington Tops. Going to check out some pubs, I'm guessing. So instead of roughing it for the weekend, we thought we'd give in and we'll go. Oh, that's just our next door neighbour. We'll wave to her on now. Yeah, so Gloucester Holiday Park this weekend. We'll film a little bit for you. We've got the drone. Did you get the drone?
Yeah.
Great. Got the drone, and we'll go from there. We are driving a little bit through Sydney on our way up, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'll get to film on the way up. Probably Stuart whinging, sitting in traffic. That's what's normal with him. Yeah, and stay tuned. Turned up to Gloucester Holiday Park. I'm just going to go check in and we'll meet up with everyone for some dinner quite soon.
Hot water gets rid of ice, so we instead of waiting hours for it to defrost.
What happened?
He shit on me shorts and shit on me phone.
Why is it that every time we go away with you, you always get shitted on, shut on?
Because money's coming to me, that's why. Money. Remember that.
What happened, Gaz?
A bird just shut on me.
Come here. Show me.
That's good luck.
Good luck.
Like it wasn't his hat.
Be that, eh?
So we've had some dinner, Chinese.
Jingri.
Yes, thanks to the parents. They picked some up for us just as we were driving into town. We got here so late. So just going to kick back for the night now with everyone, have a couple of drinks, We've set up the swag behind us. You're probably not going to see it because it's way too dark, but oh, there it is. They've got their caravan, camper trailer. We're going to tune out for the night now and then wake up in the morning and hit Barrington Tops for a little bit of a 4B, I think. What do you reckon, Stu?
By sure.
Oh, by sure. You got clean hands there?
I got clean hands here.
Yeah, good. It's got to be clean when you're camping.
Ready,
It's so
ready,
weird.
ready, 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 ready.
No?
Oh.
What are you drinking tonight?
Oh, Irons. A couple of red jacks.
A couple of red jacks. Alright.
Hooroo.
Hooroo.
Honest, you. Cup of tea?
I can't wait to get into Tiana's face and she's all grumpy.
Cup of tea?
Cup of tea, love.
Oh. Oh, really?
Good morning, Tiana. How are you today?
I'm tired.
Why?
It was very hot and muggy last night.
Hang on, let's do the tiz one. Yeah?
It's very hot and muggy last night.
Why?
It was like 28 degrees.
That's enough for you. Hello, Gary.
Good morning! Saturday morning at Gloucester. We've all gotten up today with minimal sleep. Bacon and eggs for breakfast. Have you had your coffee today?
Yes, coffee, cup of tea.
Did you sleep well?
Yeah,
It was
from
very,
12 o'clock onwards.
it was very muggy.
Was very hot.
Tis, I'm being told, tis. Oh, a little kelpie over there. Pet-friendly caravan park, which is great. Unfortunately, we're hitting the national park, so we can't bring Quinn. You've met Mum and Dad before, but we have other parents today, which is Joy's side. Hi, Andy.
Hello.
Hi, Lorraine.
Hello.
How'd you sleep?
All right.
Yeah? Not cold?
No, not at all.
Didn't get wet?
No.
No. Andy and Lorraine are staying in there.
Campermatic.
What are we doing today, Andy?
Keeping dry and getting the car dirty.
Ooh, getting the car dirty. But we need to go to the information centre for something.
Stickers.
Yes! Stickers today. Of course you're in the lowest shop. What do you to do a bit of touring, but Stewie and I are just up ahead and we've just been told to quickly chuck a Yui, go back. Andrew seems to have lost a tyre or a wheel. We've got no idea what's going on. So stay tuned and let's see what we're about to come across. We can see him just down here, so I apologise for any offensive swearing in the near future.
How way out of camber the wheel is.
What?
Wheels.
So he's lost his wheel nuts.
Of course, yeah.
Stud,
Oh,
one
that's
stud's
like fully
broken.
off.
One
He's
stud.
lost his wheel nuts. There's a stud that snapped off there. Current situation. Awning has been set up. It's perfect for the tyre we need to change. And the girls are sitting in there. They're like, stop this, it's raining. And this is going to be a bit of a lengthy process. I'm just walking up and down the street. I'm looking for a wheel stud, essentially, and go from there. And guess what? Get out of town. I found it. I found it. 5. I fucking thought I found it. I need 5. I'm good at this. Number 3. Number 4. I swear, if I don't find this last one, because it means we don't have to go back into town. Is that right?
It might not mean we have to go back to town now anyway.
Yeah, so if I can find this last one, it means we don't have to go back into town. And I don't want to go back into town. I want to hit the tracks and make a day of this disaster morning. All right, can do it, sis. Andy, how you feeling?
Stressed.
It was a bit of a situation, wasn't it?
Yeah, scared the shit out of me.
It's done now, it's fixed.
Yeah,
And
just got to
thanks
get
to the
the.
golden girl for finding the nuts.
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
Just gotta get
Bloody hell, Stewie, I couldn't find that last stud for yous.
Couldn't.
I couldn't find it anywhere.
No, you snapped it days ago.
Yeah, nah, wasn't gonna find that at all unless I start walking back to Albion Park, hey?
change.
Yes, you do, you're absolutely so. Alright. We left Gloucester and we went along Bundook Road from Gloucester. That took about, and then Black Road, that took about an hour of pure driving, 30 minutes of repairs with that tyres. We're going to shout the oldies today because we've dragged them out on this weekend, and look, the weather is just, how you going?
Hello, Tiana.
Hello?
What did you have?
Chicken snitty.
You mean this chicken snitty?
Yeah. I had chips and gravy. You had my chicken snitty.
Oh, where are we?
Wingham. Wingham?
Wingham.
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 Wingham. We are at Wingham.
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 Yes.
We're having
And
lunch.
where are we going?
We're going to go to some waterfalls. I don't know the name of them. When I get back to the car, I'll check the brochure and we'll go have a look. I think it's like a 99-kilometre round trip, 2 waterfalls. That's what I read on the brochure.
Okay.
Okay, so...
Well, I'm going to go now.
Bye.
Ellenborough Falls. So, just go to the top of this street and turn left.
We're at Manning Valley and we've come for a little trip to visit
Ellenborough Falls.
Ellenborough Falls with everyone. What do you think so far, Lorraine?
Worth the drive.
Bit wet?
Yeah, slightly.
Slightly bit wet.
Are we doing that other walk?
What are you thinking, Mum?
It's a bit wet.
Be hard to see.
Bit hard to see.
It's very hard to see.
I don't
Let's
know.
go for a walk
Isn't there
and
one up here?
see.
Oh god, I nearly got that on camera.
It's a 500-metre hike down to the falls.
Yeah, that's nothing.
Apparently it's only 30 minutes. It's a 45-minute hike back up. Try to stack up. Woohoo! Right, lads, we made it! Well, there we have it. Ellenborough Falls. That is a beautiful waterfall. Very busy at the bottom there. You can swim if you want to. Yeah. Now for our long, lengthy hike. Straight back up, basically. If any of you know Sublime Point in Wollongong, it is exactly like that. Oh, Mum! Did you stack it? How'd you go, Gaz?
Sure, that was 500 metres down,
Yeah?
500 metres back.
Yeah, what's this 500 metres down, 400 metres back?
Can't see them fogged up.
You need some water? So we've just stopped at Celebrations in Wingham? Wingham. I forgot my alcohol for the weekend, so I borrowed Mum and Dad's last night. And do you need any alcohol?
No.
He's
I
loaded.
haven't drank enough.
You haven't drank enough?
I haven't drank enough.
Hasn't drank enough. got going on up there?
Bag of worn.
Are you tying it down?
No.
We're just gonna wing it to the caravan park. Yeah. She'll be right.
You are just fucking only copping Gloucester will be out doing our thing too.
Nah, she'll be right. Just make Gaz follow us.
Put a couple of hockey straps on. Hockey strap will do.
What's your thoughts on today, Stu?
I thought it would be more of a smooth sailing day than.
It fucking starts raining now.
Seems to be a common denominator.
Thoughts on today?
I thought it'd be a bit more smooth sailing than it was.
It was a bit
You're
rough.
not even looking at me.
I am. I am.
Gotta get my good side.
Oh my God.
It was an uphill day. It was a very uphill day. But you know that's why we do it. That's why we do it. You take the good with the bad, mostly bad.
We don't always have bad trips.
Not always,
And
but
this wasn't
mostly.
bad. No, we don't. That's a lie, we don't.
It's alright.
It was good. What's the plans for tonight?
Get a fire going. Have a bit of a dry session.
Yeah. Crack a
Yeah.
couple coldies.
Yeah. No more.
No comment?
No.
What's going on, guys?
Too much rain, that's what's going on.
What does para mean? What's going on, guys? Not much has happened since the last video. Probably another few more mil of rain. We got drips and drops across rooftops and crops. That's my best Tim Bailey impression, so I don't know what else is going on.
Alright, so afternoon drinks have been happening over at the caravan at Dad's. We've had to set up the side awning because the rain's just been pissing down on the side, on the angle. Anyway, we've got a break in the rain.
the caravans.
Wobbly box.
We've got a break in the rain and the wind at the moment, so we've all got some roadies and we're just heading down to the creek that backs onto the holiday park to check it out.
No more comments.
Check it out and
No more
see
comments.
what it's like. Slept better?
Yes,
Nice and cool?
yes.
You guys are packed up early.
You guys get up late.
It's sleep in, it's Sunday. Andy, how did you sleep?
Really good.
Much better.
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
Very good.
For a long trip home, 4 hours back down south. Had some brekkie already?
I've had brekkie.
Ah,
Waiting for you guys to get up.
us late risers
Yeah.
missed out.
Mum's not there.
Oh, where is she? She's gone for a walk. Bloody Mum, she's gone. Alright, breakfast this morning. Pack up, as always, is miserable. Especially in the wet too, everything's just soaking wet. And we'll just film a little bit
Good
of
morning,
going home.
Tiana.
Good morning, Stu.
How was your sleep?
Much better.
Where are we off to today?
Home. Quinn.
Okay,
We're going to get our dog.
okay.
Thank you. Hey Stu, happy Valentine's Day.
Oh yeah, that one. Yeah, what'd you get me?
Nothing.
Oh, I'll go take mine back then. You got the BB stew? You ready for a flip?
Yeah.
Flipidictomy. Ready? Let's semi strong.
No, that's right. So that's our Gloucester weekend wrapped up in a nutshell. Mum, if you could change one thing about the weekend, what would have it been?
Oh, I don't think it would have been anything.
You wouldn't have changed anything?
No. I mean, the weather was bad on Saturday, but I don't think it dampened anybody's spirits. I think it's pretty good.
What do you think of the caravan park?
It's awesome.
Yep.
Yeah.
You'd come back here?
Yeah, pretty good. The camp on the river.
Camp down on the river. Yeah, that's probably our only suggestion. There's a couple of spots right down on the river that we showed you last night. You can camp quite close to that. What's 2 things you enjoyed about the weekend?
Just being in a swag,
Yeah, and the second?
driving a patrol.
Would you come back to this caravan park?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, that's good. Oh, one more. The amenities. Good?
Oh, I had a squealing shower this morning. So the tap turned on and it was like, "Meow." And I was like, well, I'm already undressed now. I'm not going to put all my clothes back on, go in there and another one. So I'll just piss everyone else off that's in here.
Is that your only complaint about the shower block?
It's not a complaint, just what happened.
For the shower block and everything's good?
Yeah, it was alright. Needs some love.
How much was it for this weekend?
60 something.
Alright. Tidying up the loose ends here, and then we're going to hit the road and make the 4-hour hike back down south. Andy and Lorraine left early this morning. We hope you enjoyed our weekend. It was good. The rain dampened the mood, but whatever. Like, it was good. It was a good weekend.